What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, I am back on the clearance aisle once again. I'm seeing some new things and I am seeing so much more makeup every week. They're just adding more and more and more. I'm seeing NYX, I'm seeing Essie, I'm seeing a whole lot of NYX, a whole lot of NYX, some CoverGirl. We have the glitter goals, NYX makeup. You guys make sure you scan this with the Walmart app. It's probably going to be even cheaper than marked. Just keep coming back every week and scanning these items. They will eventually be down to $1. I saw some dollar makeup from NYX here just 2 weeks ago, so I know it exists. We have a lot of new makeup here this week. We have foundation this week. We have makeup by L'Oreal. We have the beautiful Age Rewind. Love that. I'm seeing lots of foundation, True Match foundation. I'm seeing a little palette by NYX for $3.50. This was originally $8.97. We have the little kits, the Worship lip kits. We have some magnesium supplements. I'm not seeing a tag though. Just make sure you scan if that's something you're interested in. $9 down from $12.18. The eyebrow gel from NYX. Now, if you guys are looking for lippies from NYX, go over to Target too, because they have some $2 and $3 clearance lippies. They also have some clearance body shimmer for about $3. That was about $14. I double checked, it's still there. You guys definitely take a look if you're very brand loyal to NYX. Ooh, what's this? This is everything for $3. It was $5.97. $3.50 for the NYX lingerie. It was $6.97. Couponers, this is your chance to get some super cheap makeup. I know we don't really see a whole lot of NYX coupons, but there's some CoverGirl in here too, as well as Revlon. We have Maybelline. We even have some Milani for $2.50. This was originally $4.97. $4.50, it was $5.97. That's Revlon. Dream Water. This is a natural, what? Sleep Stat. $7, down from $8.88. Ooh, we have some more Milani translucent powder. $5 CoverGirl. It was $12.44. This is a concealer with hyaluronic complex and vitamin C. The spin brushes are still here. Oh, look at the little cart. Okay, what else do we have this week? We have some Father's Day things already on clearance. Sure. We have a jelly roll ruler. $0.50 party favors, 75-cent party favors. Wilton cake toppers for just 50 cents. That's a nice price from Wilton. The Father's Day wooden valet tray for $5. The Happy Planner bridal accessories for $12.53. Dad cups for $2.50. Some little crafting pieces. If you're a jewelry maker, the stickers are still here for 50 cents. These are the graduation stickers. They've been here for a few weeks now. We have some clearance phones. Maybe you want to get your kids a phone that they can just use on Wi-Fi. $25 for this one, $30 for this one, $35 for this one. We have a few more options up here. You guys definitely watch these. These will continue to be marked down. This is what I use as my second scanner phone. I got one at Target for $14. You guys haven't seen it in a while when I scan for hidden clearance, but this is what I use for scanning for hidden clearance. I've never put service on it because I have an iPhone with service and I really don't need it, but it's a great little second phone. It works well. I use it at the house. It works well for scanning. I mean, for 30 bucks, for 25 bucks, definitely not bad. And then this store has just been having so many $1 phone cases. The clear cases, I love clear cases. There's even a 75-cent clear case for Galaxy Note 9.
Oh my gosh, it's a chicken and a fish fillet.
Even more over here, coax cables, little twist-ons. This was originally $15.88. Curved glass screen protector. It's just $1 now. This one was originally $19.88. This is for Galaxy S10. It's just $1 now. iPhone 11 Pro, just $1. That is such a great deal. We have a lot more toys this week. Super Cloud for $4, more Calico Critters for $5, Trolls World Tour, Mermaid for $4. The Lotta Looks are still here. The Lego Movie set is $30, it's down $10. The Poopsie Claw Machine is 30 bucks, down from $49.97. The little My Life karaoke machine is $5. Face Paint-Toos. Aw, how cute. Marshmallow Mouse Triplets, $5 from Calico Critters. $4 My Little Ponies are still here. Play-Doh Animal Crew. Cluck-a-Dee. Look at Cluck-a-Dee. Oh my gosh, that would be kind of fun to make all the colors come out the side of his neck. $10, that was $14.97. Tic Tac Toys are still here for $1. These would be really, really fun stocking stuffers or birthday gifts. The $3 Disney Princess blind bags. More Trolls World Tour for $5. The Tiny Dancers, they were $14.97. We have more Pick Me Pops up here for $5. They were originally $10.88. The marshmallow mice are so cute. Aww. $4 for this little World Tour set. It was $7.97. Tic Tac Toy. This is just $5. Who will you get? It was $19.88. You get how many things? 6 things inside. $30, down $4.97. Pocket Watch Hobby Kids Adventures for $7. Ninjago down like 84 cents. Oh, what are these? My Little Pony $2 little like blind bags, just down 88 cents. Rainbow stackers, also down just 82 cents. Boxy babies, down $4.97. More of the chocolate frog squishy toys for $4. Looks like we have a Beauty Rest iFlex support pillow top airbed, down from $89, it's $54. The cleats are still here for $3. Arctic Air Ultra evaporative air cooler. Enjoy cool, clean air anywhere. It's a personal space cooler. $29.91. It's an as seen on TV product. It has a built-in LED nightlight. Cools, humidifies, and purifies. Runs up to 10 hours per fill. Here's the sort of cord it comes with. Quick and easy top fill water tank. Motor oil down from $13.97. $7 down $2.97. This is for boats, down $5.46. Yeah, you guys, we just have like toys, makeup, phone cases, things for the car, Wi-Fi available sticker for 10 cents, $2 wall hanging kits, mirror cords for $1, other things for mounting mirrors and whatever you might want to mount that's kind of heavy, $1. A dummy knob, decorative dummy knob. Yeah, you guys, that is what's on the clearance aisle this week. I hope you guys enjoy coming along. I'm gonna look for more clearance for you. I'm thinking clothes and shoes, maybe some hygiene and beauty items. If you guys enjoyed shopping on the clearance aisle with me and you want to see more clearance, definitely turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I post daily, sometimes even twice a day. I would love for you guys to join the Bunny Birdy Gator family. Well, all right, you guys, that's it for me here in Walmart, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.